Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everyone? Hope you are doing fine. Today we are starting a new topic. That's perimeter and area. This is a very important topic for your exam as well. So listen. Now see, perimeter. I will just pick the important points from here. Perimeter is the length surrounding any figure. For example, if this rectangle is considered, the length, this length plus this length plus this length plus this length. There is a length surrounding any figure. Okay. For example, if you want to find the perimeter for this small square, so this length plus this length plus this length plus this length. Okay. Sorry for that. Now, next is that we'll highlight area. For example, since area is given here. For example, this small square, they say the square is a point, never mind, but this small square. So what's the area? Actually, we find area by using formulas. Okay, for square we have the formula area of square is length into length. Actually, this is, I think there's a little problem here. Square, because square all the sides are equal, so this is length, this is length, this is length, this is length, all the sides are equal, so the area of square will be length into length, that is 2 into 2, which is 4. Make sure the unit will be the unit squared. For example, if meter is given, meter squared. If centimeter given, centimeter squared. Right? So perimeter, so basically the points are, perimeter means surrounding length, the sum of the surrounding length, isn't it? What is the perimeter? Perimeter means adding or summing up or adding the length surrounding any figure. Surrounding any figure. What is area? Area means multiplying the length. For square, multiplying the length and breadth for rectangle. Okay, we will do it later. So it's basically, you can say perimeter is about adding, area is about multiplication for now. Okay, this is the correct formula for area of square, length into length, that is 2 into 2, 4. Right? Now rectangle. The first question says the perimeter of rectangle is 34, its breadth is 5 centimeter. What is the length? Now they have already given the surrounding length. Okay, the surrounding length they have added and they have given as 34. Now you have to find out length. No problem. Let's revise how perimeter can be found out. For example, perimeter equal, you start from this point that I have just marked, and then which is equal to length from here to here, and then plus breadth, that is this part, and then another length, and then come back to the original position. Now we have added all the lengths surrounding it. This is how we find the perimeter. Now in this case the P is given, that is 34. Okay, now look at this one, that is L plus 5 for this one P. Okay, 34. So that is L, we don't know because we are asked to find out L. And then 5, breadth is given, 5, again L we don't know, again breadth is given. Because in perimeter we know opposite sides are equal, right? That means this is L, this is also L. So these two lengths will be equal. This is 5 and this is also 5. So these two lengths equal because perimeter opposite sides are equal. Square, all the sides are equal. Okay. Now see, when you add the 5 and 5 you get 10, but you still don't know L and L, right? The values. So I will take this 10 to the other side because I will want to make only L the subject. I want to keep only one L this side. Now then I get 24 and then I have 2L. So I can add them, it's 2L. So I have to divide this by 2 both the sides to find L, right? So dividing this by 2, the 2 will get cancelled, so I will get only L here. And then dividing this side by 2, I will get 12. That means that is because 12 times 2 is 24, right? So the answer for this one is 12. Okay, look at this one, just dividing by 2. Okay, this cuts the subtract -5 -5, which is 10, right? I just said that and then brought it. Okay, and then 24 gets 24 is for both the sides, right? So just divide it by 2. I think 24 is for both this length, right? That both length. So divide by 2 and then you will get for one side. Okay, now this one, rectangle has a perimeter 26 and length measures length. This time length is given, breadth is not given. Again, it will be like this because we are adding, right? We are starting from this point, 9b 9b equal 24. Sorry, 26. Now we have 2b and then plus 18, or else you can take 199 from this side to that side, minus 9 minus 9, then you can also do that. But you can also subtract 18 from, because 9 plus 9 is 18. And then you get 8. 8 is for both the sides, and then you divide it by 2. You get one side 4, right? Like this, see? So the breadth plus breadth is this. You subtracted all the lengths, and then you have remaining with it for one breadth, because this is for two breadth. So for one breadth, you divide it by 2, then you get the value. Now this is about the area now. Number 3, area of rectangle is 42. If the length is 7 centimeter, what is the breadth? Now they have given the area, okay? The area of rectangle, the formula I told you before, area we find with formula, but they are all about multiplication, okay? Now area of rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. Area of rectangle equal length into breadth. So that means, okay, here I have done for you. So area of rectangle, they have given the area, okay? They don't give the breadth, they have given the length as well. So the length is the long side, breadth is the width. So 7 times breadth, okay? Now see that this is 7 times breadth is 42. So here also you can think about the multiplication table. 7 times how much you get? 42. 7 times 6 you get 42, right? So that's why you get 6 centimeter. Here you are not squaring because we are finding the breadth. If you are finding the area, you have square, because this unit into this unit will be the square of that unit. Okay, understand? Hope it's understood. Now next one, the area of rectangle. Now this one is given, this time the length is not given. Okay, so the area of rectangle equal length into breadth. Please write this every time. The most important thing here is the formula and the unit. Don't write square, centimeter squared here, because you're finding the length of the breadth. You're finding the breadth. If you're finding the area, you have to square it. Now see, this is rectangle, area of rectangle. They have given 120, length times breadth. Length is not given here, breadth is 10. Now see, length times breadth, we get 120. So 10 times how much you get? 120. 10 times 12 you get, right? So otherwise what you do is you bring this to the side, and then you take the 10 to the other side and divide it by, and then you cut zeros and then get 12. Okay, length equal, so that means length equal 10 times how much? We get 120. The length will be that much, which is 12, because 10 times 12 is 120, right? So that's how you find out the unknown side, the side which is not given when either perimeter is given or area is given. Here we found when the area given, we found the not given side, the unknown side. But before here we found out the unknown side, that not given side when the perimeter is given. That's what I said. Okay, Now you can go to the workout and then listen to me first, and then you can do the same thing. Now see, find the length of the unknown side for each of the following. Now this one. Now which side is not known? This one not known actually, because this is somebody else written. So they have given 8, the breadth is given, the length is not given. So, but they have given the perimeter. So if the perimeter is given, perimeter means addition. Perimeter is addition, right? Okay. Sorry, that we have done before. Now this one. Okay, this one. Not this one. Okay, this is about the area. See. Now this one is length plus, see, length, we don't know, 8, length 8 equal 40. So length plus 16, 8 plus 8 is 40. So L plus L, 40 minus 60 is 24. Now this is for 2L, right? So you divide by 24 divided by 2, you get 12. So that 12 is for L. Okay. Now look at this one. This is for the area C. This is for C. Now I told you this is not a square, right? This is a rectangle, because this side is bigger than this side. When the two sides are different in length, it's a rectangle. When all the sides are same, it's a square. So length, never mind, we know the formula, length into breadth equal area, right? Area of a rectangle equal length into breadth. Area of rectangle, length into breadth, right? So area is given 24, length into breadth is given. So length into breadth, and then this is that. So 4 times how much? 28 you get. 4 times 7 you get 28, right? Now let's see the D part. D. We also know that length into breadth is the area. Area is equal to area of rectangle equal length into breadth, right? Now see, this is 9. They have given the length. Opposite sides are equal. The 9 times breadth. Breadth they have not given. Somebody have found out actually. So it's 54. Oh, sorry. Now see, so 9 times how much you get? 54. 9 times 6, right? Now let's see the perimeter. So this you start from here, 20 B, 20 B. So it's equal to 50. So, sorry. So then you can just add and transfer the other side, the 20 plus 20, or so you can even subtract 20 from this 2 times, and then you get 14. 14 is for both the sides, so you divide by 2, you get 7. How? Now that's enough. Now that's all for today. Thank you.